What if you could go from idea to fully functional options trading algorithm in just 10 minutes, without writing a single line of code? That's now possible with Alpaca's MCP server paired with AI tools like Cursor AI, and it's a big deal for anyone interested in automated trading. This is FinTech Bot Focused, where we dissect tools, strategies, and AI workflows that give traders an edge. If that's your lane, hit subscribe. The MCP server is your translator between natural language and the Alpaca trading API. Normally, building an algo means wrestling with authentication, data formatting, and custom coding. With MCP plus AI, you can just say, build me a bull call spread option strategy with defined risk and reward. And in minutes, Cursor AI generates the logic, formats it for Alpaca, and gets it ready to run. Set up the MCP server and connect it to Cursor AI. Write your prompt describing the option strategy you want. Paper trade it first. Test it in Alpaca's simulator. Go live when you're ready, approving trades directly in your Alpaca dashboard. Their example? A bull call spread. A defined risk, defined reward play that's perfect for directional bets without unlimited downside. For beginners, you can build complex strategies without coding. For pros, you can rapidly prototype, test, and iterate instead of spending days programming. But here's the catch. AI makes execution faster, not smarter. You still need to understand the strategy, know your risks, and decide when it's appropriate to run it. Would you trust AI to build your next options strategy? If you could automate just one trade today, what would it be? Drop your answer in the comments. I want to see what this community comes up with. And if you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to FinTech Bot Focused. More tools, more strategies, and more ways to trade smarter.